Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my brand new video. So this video I will be showing you guys my new PC build. I meant to make this video earlier this year when I was building it, but I ended up catching the virus. I ended up catching the Rona, so I wasn't able to make the video. I was very sick, so I couldn't really make the video at that time. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys my new build. I ended up building a new PC after a year and a half of building my first, because my cousin ended up wanting to build her own PC. So I was like, okay, well, if you want to build a PC and you want it for a cheap price, I'll just sell you my parts. And she bought it, except of course the graphics card, because the graphics card are hard to buy, so she gotta go find her own. And also the case, she wanted a different case, so I just kept my old case with me. Just a disclaimer before I show you guys my PC build, I bought all the parts myself, so I didn't get sponsored or anything like that. Most of the stuff that I'm getting are mostly paid by my own money. But anyways, here is my PC build. First of all, the main part of a PC is of course the PC case. So I have here is the Corsair 5000D Airflow. Comes in two different colors, the black and the white version. And of course I got the white version. I think the white version, it looks really clean. I've had a black case before. It looks okay, but I think the white case looks really clean. RGB just glows really good with the white case. The next part is the motherboard. I have here is the Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Hero Wi-Fi version gaming motherboard. So of course it has Wi-Fi, but I don't use Wi-Fi. I have an Ethernet cable connected through my internet. It does have OrSync, but I don't use it because I'm using the Corsair software for my RGB and all that stuff. It supports AMD Ryzen CPU and also supports a DDR4 memory. So for my CPU, I got the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. Comes with 12 cores and 24 threads. For my RAM, I got the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro SL. So I got 4 of them, and each are 8GB RAM. And it has a speed rating of 36 megahertz. It is IQ compatible, so I'm able to use it with the Corsair IQ software. So for the memory of my PC, I got the Samsung 970 Evo Plus with a 2TB memory and a read speed of 3500 megabits per second. And of course, it is an NVMe M2 SSD. For the power supply, with all the performance that's already in my PC, I need to get a high performance power supply. So I ended up getting the Corsair RM850X power supply. So it is an 80 plus gold fully modular power supply. For the cooling of my PC, at the front I have the 3 Corsair SP120 RGB fans. On top I have the Corsair 150i Elite Caplix liquid cooling for my CPU. Comes with the ML version of their fans. It is RGB 120mm fan. And then for the cooling on the back, I just kept the stock fan that came with the case. Of course, eventually I will be switching it to an RGB fan, but that's gonna happen when I have the money. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it there. Last but not the least, the graphics card. I have here is the Aorus GeForce RTX 3070 Masters with a memory size of 8GB. It does come with this LCD monitor on the side of the graphics card, and you can change the effects of the graphics card and also the LCD when you use their RGB Fusion software. Alright, so that is my new PC build. That's all the parts that I got for this new build. I didn't go cheap on this build just because I don't want to keep upgrading, so I ended up just buying the highest, or well, closest to the highest version as I could get, and then hoping that I won't have to upgrade within 3 or 4 years. So I'm gonna have this build for a little while. It's not the perfect build, so as you guys can see, there are still things that I want to change, but that's gonna happen when I have the money, when I got the funds to buy all the parts that I need. But anyways, that is all for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys do, please hit the like button down below. Also share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.